professional face swapping for YouTube thumbnail using these secret new free web tools. If you have been looking for a way to swap face in your thumbnail, in this video we are going to bypass corporate software to master professional face swapping using a powerful free web tools built for mobile creator. We demonstrate precise skin tool branding, alignment techniques to produce high thumbnail. This workflow bridges the gap between amateur edit and viral quality visual. To download the app, I'll put the link for you to download the pro version of the app in the bottom of this video, in the comment section or in the description of this video. The first thing you are going to do is that you will download the picture that you want to use the face. Then the other thing, you will download another picture when you want to use only the body. Then you can download this grid art, which is the app when you go to design and edit everything. So once you log in, you come to this edit where the arrow is pointing to, so you touch am. After you don touch am, you come select the picture where you wan use the body. So I'll select any picture from here. So after you can see from here now that I've selected one picture now. So the next you are going to do is that you come to this option here, you screw everything to this corner until you will see cut art. So you can see it here, you can see AI cut art here. So what you do is that you touch it. So after you have touched it, then you wait the screening up and down. This arrow that is screening up and down, you will wait until everything will screen till the end. So let's wait for it. So you can see it now that the background of this picture have been removed. So the next thing you are going to do is that you come to this option here. This option showing optimize. Remember that we are using the body only, not the head. So you touch the optimize. After you have touched it, then you will see this option, you will see these two circles, this particular one here and the small one here. So what you will do is that you will touch this small one to move it. As you move it, the bigger one will follow for you to remove only the head. So let me do it. Let me make the example. So you can see that I'm moving it now. So I will use it to remove the corporate head, which is the corporate face, to swap it, because I want to swap another face to the body from here now. So you can see here, you can see now that I've removed the face. You can see remaining only the body. So what you will do next is that you will touch on this option here showing good to OK it. From there you move it down. You move it down one. You can also zoom it. You use two hands to zoom it. You can see it here. You use your two hands to zoom it. Then you position it. Make sure that the button touch the ending of the screen. You can see it here. So the next we are going to do now is that you will touch on this nest. You will touch on this nest to apply the effect. So you can see that I've applied the effect. So you bring the picture down again. Make sure it touch the bottom. If you want to put a new background, maybe you want to put background inside bush or inside house or inside office, then you just download the picture. You come to this place. After you have downloaded it to your system, the next thing for you to replace the background, you come to this option here. If you want to put any image, so you come to this option here. So let me touch it for example. So after you have done that, the next thing, after you have touched that place, let me select from here now. You can see I've selected another background. I've selected another background now. So you can see the background that I've changed it. But if you don't want to put any other background, as in if you don't want to put the one that you download from the internet, you can also, there are many backgrounds that you can select from this option here. You touch on this nature. Once you touch it, you see find background from this option here. So I will touch on the nature, then you screw it up. You see find background here. So let me select this. After selecting it, you can see that the background have changed. Then I'll select another one. I'll try it with another one until you see the one that match the picture. So you can see, I think this background is okay for the picture. So the next you are going to do is that you touch on this apply for you to apply the background. You can see I've applied it. Then what you will do next again what you will do from there is that you come to this option here, you scroll all to this corner until you see add image. So let me do that. You can see it here, add. Okay, you can see it here, add. You touch on this add. So after you have touched it, it will direct you to where you are going to select the image that you want to use, just only the face. Then you select it from there. So from there now, what I will do is that I will select my face and set it. So let me select this picture. This is my picture. So you can see it from here now. You can see the picture from here now. So what you will do next is that you will come to this option here. You come to AI cut out. You touch it. So you wait until the scanning completed. So you can see from here now that the background have been removed from this particular picture that I want to use only the face. So what you will do next is that you come to this option here. You come to this optimize again. After you touch it, the same thing that happened to the first picture, where you will see the circle here and the smaller one. So you touch the smaller one and bring it down to remove the body. So I'm removing the body now. So I'm removing the body now. So you can see now that I've removed the complete body, remaining only the head. So the next thing you are going to do from here is that you come to this option showing good here. You touch it. Then after that, you come to this option again, the button showing OK. You touch it again. So the next thing you are going to do after you have touched it, the face will now come up to the background and the main body. So what you are going to do from here now is that you will drag the head, you will bring the head down to the neck of this body. So you can see the head here now. You can see the head from here. So you bring it down to this neck side for you to get the complete body, to swap the face. So you bring it down like this. Then once you bring it down, the next thing you are going to do from here now, you can see
you can see that there is a space. There is a space from here and the other side, which means the neck is bigger than the head here. So what you will do is that you will hold on this head and zoom it until the neck size the main body. So I will zoom it from here now. So you can see how it look like here. So you can see how it look like. So what you will do from here now is that after you have balanced the head to the body, so the next you are going to do is that you touch on the head again, then you look for filter. You can see filter under here, so you touch it for you to balance the color, which is the background, to lighten up the body and the head together, both the background, everything together, to make it more matured. So you touch on the filter. So next thing you are going to do is that you select from this option showing at the bottom here. You will see many options here where you can scroll to this corner, then you select the one that match the head and the body, both the background together. So I will select from here now. Let me select from this. You can see that the background have changed, the face, which is the color of the face, have changed. Then let me select another one. This one have changed. Select another one again, change. Select another. I think this one is more mature than the other one. So after you have seen the one that you like, what you will do next is that you come to this adjust. You come to this adjust, you touch it. So when you touch it, what you will do from there is that you come to this option showing saturation, then you touch it, you bring it front a little bit, bring it front a little bit. You can see that the face is brighter somehow, but I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing you are going to do, you screw it to the other side and look for sharpen. Then from there you sharp the head and the body together. Sharp the head and the body together. From there, the next thing you are going to do is that you look for warm. Then you screw it a little bit to make the face and the body background to warm together. So from there, what you will do is that you come to this brightness to brighten the face a little bit. So you brighten it. So from here now, you can see that I've edited the face and attach the color to it. So after everything, what you will do is that you touch on this good there, you touch it to apply the effect. Then from there you come to this option here showing save, to save the photo that you swap. So after that, you come to this edit again. You come to this edit, you touch it, then you select the picture that you just edited. So I will select it from here. You can see from here now. Then what you will do next is that you come to enhance. You come to this option, you scroll into this corner, then you look for enhance. So I'll look for it from here. You can see enhance here, where the arrow is pointing to. Then you touch it, then you wait for enhancing photo quality. From here now, enhancing this photo will blend everything together to look more mature. So we wait until the enhancing is completed. So you can see from here now that the enhance is already be completed. So from here now you see before and after. So what you will do is that you touch on this window, you touch on this window and hold on it, then you drag it to this corner to apply the effect. So from here now you can see that I've enhanced it. Then the next thing you're going to do from here now is that you come to apply, you touch on the apply from here. So after that you touch on the save showing here. So from there, after you have saved it, you can go to your gallery and make use of it. So from here now you can see that everything are merged together. So that is how you apply professional face swapping for YouTube thumbnail using this secret new free tools.
So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you don't understand any part of this video, you can drop a comment in the comment section there, and I will come to answer each and every question there. Like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye.